Beginning with the fresh pepper now. I am boiling adding some salt into the eggs. And I'll just mix that with tomato is boiling. See what our tomato looks like now. Whoosh! As you can see, it's sizzling beautifully. And I'm just going to bring out some of those stew. I have a child that doesn't like egg sauce, so I'm just going to bring out some for him. So this is my egg that I've already beat. I'm going to be adding it into. You want the egg? Is that why you're crying? No noise. It's not for you've whisked it enough. So I'm going to reduce the heat a bit, just a little, so that it doesn't burn and it takes time. Oh my god, it has turned off completely. So back on now. I'm going to be reducing it little, as you can see. And I'm going to close that. My yam is ready. It's ready. Oh. Hey, good cooking, what you got cooking? I got cooking so much for you. I will now check on our egg sauce. Yes, our egg sauce is getting ready. So it's almost ready. Just going to turn that a bit. Let me keep the phone down, turn it, okay? I'll be right back. Our egg sauce is ready. I like my egg sauce a bit dry, not too much, not having too much oil in it, and like the eggs will be, you know, fluffy, and you can see chunks of egg in it. It's just so nice. I love it that way, and my family enjoys eating it that way. Okay, not extremely or scrambled that it will now be tiny and you will not see the eggs. So here you can see big chunks of eggs. It just makes the eating experience so I like to cut it a bit for them so that it's easy for them to